I bought that bologna like 6 months ago, and he's over there eating it. Whatever. All right. So today is a lazy day, and he's still talking.
Did you get bologna today?
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. Still.
Oh, you're not using the old. No, never mind. I'm sure I deserve that sometime or the other. Today we're being lazy, and we've decided.
Meatballs in a pan and put them in the oven.
Yeah, what he said. I did buy some Armor. These aren't hot dogs. I say hot dogs. Armor meatballs, and these are okay when you are wanting to be cheap and lazy and easy. So we were having a discussion here just a few minutes ago that I like to put sauce over mine and bacon. Ooh. Whew, got that smell. They kind of remind you of meatballs when you were a kid and went to school. Remember they had spaghetti meatballs then? I like them, and if you haven't tried them, they're really good. I wouldn't recommend, you know, using these type of meatballs for, I wouldn't recommend using these meatballs for, you know, like the jelly meatballs, the party meatballs that you put, like, you know, well, yeah, no, I wouldn't, like the jelly and the, get down. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. He's already got me discombobulated. Well, anyway. So we were having a discussion about, I like putting sauce on mine and baking them, and he wants me to just bake them naked like this. And with no sauce on them, and I guess that's what we're going to do. He says, you're not going to know the difference when you put sauce on them, but whatever. But anyway, look at these. See, so I've just put them in some foil lined pans. I'm just going to pop them in the oven and let them do their thing. They really are good, but they're not as good as homemade. But anyway, let's get them in the oven because it's like 2 o'clock and we're hungry. I guess in his defense, if you wanted to, you know, you could make like meatball subs or something with them if they're like that. Put different things on them, but I don't know. Olivia's playing with the dogs with a, what do you call that? A what?
Laser pointer.
A laser pointer. Tomorrow I'm making potato soup, which that's already here on my channel. If you want to go ahead and check that out, it is absolutely phenomenal, and we're gonna have Reubens. So that's what's tomorrow. I don't know where we're gonna eat the rest of the week. We've decided that we are gonna try to. I'm not gonna say diet because it's like instant failure. We're gonna try to start eating a little bit healthier. Try to cut some of the carbs out, but that's not starting today because we're having spaghetti today. So that's gonna have to start like the next day, after the next day.
After the potato soup.
After the potato soup. Here I'm talking about we're gonna cut our carbs out. We're having spaghetti today and potato soup tomorrow. But I did buy me a little treat because I really want to try to start eating a little bit healthier. So where's my brownies at?
That ain't no healthy treat.
It's gonna be a treat. I'm gonna bake those brownies probably later today or tomorrow, and I'm gonna eat the whole damn pan. Because I'm really not. She's looking at me like I'm crazy, but we do have some vanilla ice cream, so it's gonna be on. But I figured I'd just, you know, treat myself to something.
I made healthy brownies.
We're all healthy. You just shut up in there. He thinks he's the carb king, and I literally don't like him when he tries to watch his carbs. But anyway. That's what's going on right now. So I just washed my little cookie container that I got at Walmart that we put our cookies in, our homemade cookies from Christmas. This is the last little thing to put away from Christmas, and it is so depressing. I just love Christmas, and it's just so depressing just to have to put the very last thing of Christmas away. Look at Mr. Snowman. So actually the unsauced meatballs, the idea that he had was pretty good. They were really good. I have to admit, I wouldn't tell him that, but they were pretty good. Olivia didn't like them, but she's a kid, what does she know? If you haven't tried those meatballs, go ahead and give them a try. I mean, they're worth your time, especially if you're looking for something quick and easy. That's just what I was looking for. I hope you enjoy this short little video, short, sweet, just like me. I'll see you guys all in the next recipe episode, vlog, whatever. You know, I love you. Take care. Bye-bye.